Hello, love. Today we are making dinner. Yeah. So this is our kitchen. So we are going to cook cabbage. Yeah. Brianna, what are you doing, mom?
Yeah.
Princess. What are you doing?
I want to do my homework.
Which subject is that?
My
Math. Okay. So how was school?
school was good. Or not that good.
Baby. Baby. Why? Why wasn't good?
Because the teacher just asking me for more money.
Why? Why are they asking for more money in
I
school?
don't even know why they're asking me for more money and I had already paid the school fees.
Yeah, they should stop asking for more money.
Yeah, they should.
So what did you tell them when they ask you for more money?
I just said okay because you can't keep arguing with the teacher.
So this school of yours need to give us receipts for last year so that you can see where asking for more money, right?
Maybe. But
Mommy!
why are you carrying Brianna on your back?
Because she has refused to be on her own, like to sit down. She wants me to carry her.
Oh, you know that's bad manners.
Yes, you should tell her.
Yeah.
Why do you want me to cook with you on my back, Mama? Don't you think I'm getting tired? Babe,
She's even closing her ears.
don't sleep. She's closing her ears. I thought she was closing her eyes.
She don't want to hear what you're saying.
Brianna, so you are pretending so that I can carry you. So you're going to cook cabbage
Yeah. There's the cabbage.
for dinner. Mama, I'm getting tired. Can you get off of my back? So these are our cabbage. You see, it seems to be so delicious, yeah? So you are gonna eat cabbage today with the garlic. With the garlic. So guys, our water is already boiled for ugali. So I'm going to cook ugali right away. Like I said, we're going to eat ugali and cabbage today. Ugali for our family, for the humble family. Ugali is well cooked. It's ready for our stomach. Yeah. Natengeneza shape ya ugali. Ball shape. Is it ball shape or round shape? Yes. So it's well cooked. Yeah, it's well cooked. So let me warm our cabbage once more so that I can serve for the family. Family meal. You see my cabbage, Sylvia's cabbage. Oh, you haven't brought Brianna's cabbage. Brianna, she has already ate. This is her cabbage. She left. She started eating cabbage earlier before Gali came in the table. So we are going to have this food. Seems to be so tasty. This is our supper for today.